Hello, my name is Darnell Bernardez, and today I will be presenting you my Web Information System project. Here we are located at the login page, and here is the username and the password where the user will input the valid username and password to have an access to the other functionalities of the system. To give you an idea how it works, I will input the valid username and password. Here at the home page, you can see my full name and the logout button. And as you can see here, you can see the different types of functionalities as I am able to do as the administrator. But before we continue and discover the other functionalities, let's go back to the login page. What would happen if I entered the right username but the wrong password? The system will prompt invalid password and will deduct your retries to input your password. And if a retry reaches 0, our account will be locked, and the only way to unlock it is we will go to the database and update the retries or call a friend who might know how to update your retries. And what would happen if I entered invalid username? The system will prompt user does not exist. Now, let's proceed now inside to know the different functionalities I can do as an administrator. Now let's go to the user login management. As you can see, I have only one record, which is my record as the administrator. Now let's create a new user login. Input a username, select which user, input your password, and select what user type. Then click Save. And if you want to edit a specific record, you can click the radio button, then click Edit. You can change the username, the user, your password, or what kind of user type you will be using. Then click Save. And it will prompt record has been successfully updated. And there you go. Now let's go back to the home page. Now let's go to the user management. If there's another user you want to create, again, click the create new, input your ID number, your first name, your last name, and your middle name, and choose what gender are you. Then input your birth date. Then click Save. If you want to edit, just click the radio button, then edit, just like before. And if you want to delete, click Delete button. Now, let's go back to the home page. Now, we will go to the user type management. As usual, we'll, if you want to create a new user type, we'll create new. The type code, student, then the type name, student. Then click Save. And the system will prompt record has been successfully added. The user type student will be restricted, or there is a privilege that admins can do but the student cannot. If you want to edit this specific record, select the radio button, click Edit, then change the type code or type name, then click Save. And the system or prompt record has been successfully updated. And now, we will use these different user types. This user type student, the user management student, to the user login. And now we will create new the username, and we will use the created user, then your password, then the created user type, then click Save. Then let's try the privileges that student 1 can do. Let's go back to the home, log out, then log in. Oh, sorry. As you can see, most of the functionalities was removed. Only the update password was left. If you want to update your password as the student or your user type is a student, click Update Student, input your old password, your new password, then the confirmation of your new password, then click Update. The password is now updated. We can also, and now let's go to the database. In the database, we can also keep track the activities done inside our system. If a user logins, logouts, updates, create, or delete. Let's input select. As you can see, we can keep track the details which I log in, the admin login, logout, login, deleted, logout, created, updated, then logout, login. And now let's return to the login to the system. Let's log out this, then let's return to the admin. As an admin, we can also delete a specific record. Just select the radio button, then click Delete. And the system will prompt the record has been successfully deleted. And now, we also can delete in the other functionalities. Let's go to the user management. We delete the student. As usual, select the radio button, then click Delete. And the system record has been successfully deleted. We can also do that in the user types. Select the radio button, then delete, and the system will prompt. Now, and that's all for presenting my project in Web Information System. I know this project has a lot of room for improvements. However, thank you for listening. Have a great day.